The future simple tense is an important aspect of the English language that is commonly used to talk about future actions or states. In the field of cybersecurity, the future simple tense is often used to predict future security measures and strategies that will be implemented to protect against cyber threats. By using the future simple tense, cybersecurity professionals can make informed decisions about how best to secure their networks and data in the future. One way that the future simple tense is used in cybersecurity is to predict the development of new security technologies. For example, cybersecurity experts might say, "In the future, we will see more advanced encryption algorithms that will help protect sensitive data from hackers." This statement uses the future simple tense to predict a future action, the development of new encryption algorithms that will help improve cybersecurity measures. Another way that the future simple tense is used in cybersecurity is to forecast potential cyber threats. For instance, cybersecurity analysts might say, "In the coming years, we will likely see an increase in ransomware attacks targeting businesses." This statement uses the future simple tense to predict a future state, an increase in ransomware attacks that will require new security measures to be put in place. Furthermore, the future simple tense can also be used to suggest future actions that should be taken to enhance cybersecurity. For instance, cybersecurity professionals might say, "We will need to implement multi-factor authentication to strengthen our network security." This statement uses the future simple tense to recommend a future action implementing multi-factor authentication that will help improve cybersecurity defenses. In conclusion, the future simple tense plays a crucial role in cybersecurity by allowing professionals to predict future security measures, forecast potential threats, and recommend actions to enhance cybersecurity. By using the future simple tense effectively, cybersecurity professionals can better prepare for the challenges of tomorrow and stay ahead of cyber threats.